Welcome back to Glow Fit Guide. It's day 3 of our 30-day challenge, and today we're all about abs and recovery. This session includes 2 rounds, one to fire up your core and another to stretch and relax your muscles. To get the best results, place your device laptop, mobile, or tablet in front of you and follow along with us. This way, you can stay engaged, perform each move correctly. Each exercise comes with a short 10-second rest to keep you going strong. Stay with us until the end. You'll feel refreshed and energized. Let's get started. Round 1, core workout. Round 1 is all about building core strength. Each exercise lasts for 20 to 40 seconds, with a 10-second pause in between. Remember to pace yourself and focus on proper form for maximum results. Exercise 1, crunch. Start by lying on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands lightly behind your head, then lift your shoulders off the ground as you crunch toward your knees. Tip: engage your core muscles and keep your neck relaxed to avoid strain. Take a quick breather, inhale deeply, and get ready for the next move. Exercise 2, plank. Shift into a plank position with your elbows directly under your shoulders and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Tip: squeeze your glutes and core to maintain stability, and don't let your hips dip. Catch your breath. Get set for scissors next. Exercise 3, scissors. Lie flat on your back, lift both legs slightly off the ground, and alternate crossing one leg over the other in a scissor motion. Tip: keep your lower back pressed into the floor and move with control for the best burn. Feeling the heat yet? You're doing awesome. Let's keep going. Exercise 4, hollow plank. From a plank position, slightly tuck your pelvis under and engage your glutes to hollow out your body. Tip: this small adjustment intensifies the plank, so stay focused and breathe deeply. Relax for a moment. Next up are leg raises. Exercise 5, leg raises. Lie flat on your back with your hands under your hips for support. Lift your legs to a 90-degree angle, then slowly lower them without touching the ground. Tip: control the movement and keep your core tight to protect your lower back. Almost there for round 1. Get into position for the high plank. Exercise 6, high plank. Position yourself with your hands under your shoulders and your body in a straight line. Hold steady and focus on your form. Tip, spread your fingers wide for better balance and grip. Fantastic work. Complete your 30-day bodyweight challenge with confidence. Stay consistent, push yourself, and remember, watch this video till the end and repeat it as many times as needed to memorize the movements. Take a full minute to rest. Grab some water, stretch out a bit, and prepare for the recovery round. Round 2, recovery stretch it. Now that your core is worked out, let's stretch it out. Each stretch lasts for 30 seconds, with a 10-second pause between exercises. Take your time to relax and recover. Exercise 1, Cobra Pose. Lie on your stomach. Place your hands under your shoulders and gently lift your chest while keeping your hips on the ground. Tip, breathe deeply and let your abs and lower back stretch fully. Relax and shift into the next stretch. Exercise 2, lower back stretch. Lie on your back, bring your knees to your chest and gently rock side to side. Tip, keep your movements gentle to ease tension in your lower back. Great! Now let's stretch out the quads. Exercise 3, quad stretch. Stand tall, grab one ankle behind you, and pull it toward your glutes while keeping your knees close together. Tip, hold onto a wall or chair for balance if needed. Are you feeling better already? Let's keep it going with a glute stretch. Exercise 4, glute stretch. Sit on the floor, cross one leg over the other, and gently twist toward the crossed leg. Tip, keep your spine straight for a deeper stretch. Next, we'll open up the chest muscle. Exercise 5, chest stretch. Clasp your hands behind your back and gently lift them upward while opening your chest. Tip: keep your shoulders relaxed and focus on the stretch. We are almost done. Let's loosen up the shoulders. Exercise 6, shoulder stretch. Pull one arm across your chest and hold it with your opposite hand. Tip: relax your shoulders for a better stretch. Great job. Just a couple more to go. Exercise 7, triceps stretch. Raise one arm overhead, bend the elbow, and gently push it with your opposite hand. Tip: keep your neck aligned and avoid hunching. Last one, let's finish strong. Exercise 8, standing quad stretch. Return to the quad stretch, standing tall and pulling your ankle toward your glutes. Tip: steady your breathing for balance and focus. Day 3 is complete. You've powered through a strong ab workout and treated your body to some well-deserved recovery. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us tomorrow for day 4. Keep glowing.